If you ever see a giant bird standing on top of a signal tower during a thunderstorm, don't take your eyes off it. Bro, I'd be making a U-turn so fast. Be careful, don't approach it because... But first, if you're a dog lover, hit like and subscribe. And please, look at this poor tiny puppy was shivering, scared, and alone. But one gentle act of kindness can change his life forever. Every little rescue matters. If you care about stray dog, leave a heart and share this video to show you care. A man was driving through heavy rain. Everything looked normal. Cars ahead, wipers moving, thunder getting louder. Then a massive dark cloud formed overhead. Seconds later, a huge lightning bolt struck near a signal tower. As the flash faded, he noticed a gigantic bird-like figure standing silently on top of the tower, staring at them.